Have you ever wondered to handle errors like a pro in Python? Today I'm going to show you. So let's say we are receiving two inputs from the user. User first gives you the value A, then it gives you the value B. So if we run this code, it allows us to give us some input. We say 10 and then we say 0. I mean, user can give whatever it wants. Now let's say in your logic, you want to perform some division. A divided by B. This should give you an error, zero division error. So if you want to handle this code instead of breaking your whole application in the production, it's better to catch that error and let it flow. So how you can achieve this is just putting your code, whatever you are trying to do, inside in try block, and then you say A divided by B. In case this doesn't go through, you gotta put in except exception as E. And now what really you can do is like you can write any code here, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna print out the exception itself. Now, instead of giving us the error, it just prints out division. Follow for more.